The action camera market has seen incredible growth in recent years, with various brands vying for the attention of adventure seekers and content creators. Among these competitors, GoPro has consistently held a top position, recognized not just for its exceptional performance, but also for its user-friendly design. Since its early days, GoPro has become synonymous with action cameras, transforming the way we capture life's most thrilling moments. From extreme sports to everyday adventures, GoPro has been a game changer, thanks to its relentless pursuit of innovation. As excitement builds around the release of the GoPro Hero 13 Black, several anticipated features and enhancements are generating buzz. Here's what could be on the horizon. One of the most highly anticipated upgrades is the introduction of the GP3 processor, set to replace the GP2 chip that has powered GoPro's last 3 generations. The GP3 processor is expected to deliver a noticeable boost in performance, enabling the camera to handle more demanding tasks such as processing ultra-high-definition video at faster frame rates and enhancing the camera's responsiveness. Another area where the Hero 13 Black is expected to excel is low-light performance. While GoPro cameras have traditionally performed well in bright outdoor settings, low-light conditions have posed more of a challenge. The rumored inclusion of a larger sensor in the Hero 13 Black could bridge this gap, enabling better performance in dimly lit environments. This improvement would be especially beneficial for users who frequently shoot during dawn or dusk, or in indoor settings where lighting is less than optimal. One of the most exciting rumored features for the Hero 13 Black is HyperSmooth 7.0. GoPro's image stabilization technology has been a major differentiator, allowing users to capture ultra-smooth, shake-free footage even in the most challenging conditions. For users who depend on their GoPro to capture fast-paced action, whether on a mountain bike, surfboard, or snowboard, this enhancement could significantly elevate the quality of their footage. While some users may be hoping for groundbreaking features like 8K resolution, it's essential to consider whether such advancements are truly necessary for the average user. GoPro cameras already deliver impressive image quality, and pushing the resolution higher may not provide significant benefits, particularly given the increased processing power and storage required for 8K footage. Instead, the focus will likely remain on refining existing capabilities and addressing user pain points. By enhancing features like image stabilization, low light performance, and app stability, GoPro can continue to offer a product that meets users' needs without complicating the experience with features that may not be widely utilized.